Do you want to learn how to code and finally be able to land that software developer job you've been wanting to get in 2025? Well, this video is not that. Because in this video, I'm about to drop some zero IQ tips that are so stupid that you will learn absolutely nothing useful watching this video. Number one, always leave your API credentials for people to see. Now, if you've never done anything with APIs before, don't worry, you won't need this. But if you are using APIs for anything you are using, normally in a tutorial video, they will tell you to secure your API keys or credentials anywhere so that people like hackers won't be able to find them. But with this tip, you're getting zero IQ, so we're going to make it to where anyone can access your API keys really easily because, well, you want everyone to share, and as they say, sharing is caring. Number two, never leave any kind of useful comments or documentation. Listen, in a normal video about how to code, one of the things they will tell you is leave good documentation. That way, if you're out sick somewhere or you can't code something and someone else has to do it, they will be able to find the documentation or just be able to read the comments to understand what you're doing. But you don't need to do that in this video. Instead, don't leave any kind of comments. Leave your code super messy and basically make it to where if anyone tries to code after you, make it to where it is super impossible. That way you can inflate your own ego with these zero IQ tips. Number three, if you get stuck on a project, just give up. Okay, listen, in a normal coding scenario where all these videos try to help you, they say if you get stuck on a project, sometimes you just need to go look on the web, see if someone else has coded what you're trying to do. Well, here we don't need to do that. Instead, if you get stuck on a project, just give up. There's no point in continuing because if you do get stuck, that just means that you're bad. That just means that you're terrible and you will never be a good coder. Number four, always trust what the AI generates for you. Now, a normal human being would tell you just because an AI tells you to do something does not mean you should blindly trust it and that you should be careful with what the AI gives you in terms of code. But with this video, don't need to do that. Instead, anytime the AI tells you anything, just put it in your code and just use it, okay? Don't question what the AI tells you. It knows everything on the internet. It's compiled all of the data. You don't need to question it. It just knows what it's doing first try. And number five, this is a tip that I think everyone should completely ignore, but it's zero IQ. So in this case, you need to listen to it, which is cowboy coding is the best type of coding, aka don't use any kind of version control. Listen, it's 2025. I know that there are tools like GitHub, regular Git, or any kind of version control where you can see what the last version was, so you can see what happened, what changed. And if something breaks, it makes your life easier because you know exactly what changed. Well, for this, it needs all that. Just push it straight to production. No need for a staging server. No need to back anything up. And if anything breaks, oh well, it's not your fault. It's someone else's fault. Because nothing screams zero IQ tips than refusing to learn something that's a little difficult that could potentially make your life a lot easier. And if you want to actually learn how to code, watch this video right here where I tell you some things you need to learn while you're also trying to learn.